Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Germany's imports will be released at 6 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey current at 5 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey Outlook will be released at 5 GMT. The French current account at 6:45 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's major indexes closed lower after US President Donald Trump announced hefty tariffs against Japan, South Korea, and other trading partners, while Tesla shares sank after CEO Elon Musk said he was forming a new US political party. Michael Saylor's Strategy, the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, reported $14 billion in unrealized gains on its holdings in the second quarter of 2025. The company recorded an unrealized gain on its digital asset holdings of $14.05 billion, along with a deferred tax expense of $4.04 billion. Traders are set to make about $1.4 billion in paper profits from their short positions in Tesla shares after CEO Elon Musk's plans to launch a new US political party heightened concerns about his commitment to the company's future.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound fall 0.3% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.